The single arm lateral raise is a great exercise for training your deltoids muscles. That's the muscle in your shoulders. For this exercise, you're going to need a hand weight or a dumbbell, and you'll need some kind of sturdy surface that you can hold on to and lean away from. To begin this exercise, take a hand weight or a dumbbell in one hand, and then place your other hand on a sturdy surface like a squat rack or a machine. Now lean away from the sturdy surface so that your body is at a slight angle. Now lift the weight up and out straight to the side, keeping your elbows straight, and then lower it back down to the starting position with control. As you continue to lift and lower the weight, make sure that you're keeping the upper back and the back of the shoulders engaged to keep your shoulder in alignment here. You should feel this work on the outside edge of your shoulder. Up and back down is 1 repetition on one side. When you finish the recommended number of repetitions on one side, make sure to turn over and do the same number of repetitions on the other side with the other arm. If you don't have a sturdy surface to lean away from, you can perform this exercise standing. Just make sure that you shift your weight over into one foot so that you can keep your posture in alignment throughout the course of this exercise.